please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey, I'm gonna open a Topps 1987 jumbo packs. There's a gum in there somewhere. Hope not. 31 bubblegum cards. Here we go. Top looking. There's Selby, Anderson, Dave Lopez, looks pretty serious, tense. Donald Hill, Clint Lemon, Jeff Reed. So far, I recognize nobody. So Mike Watt, his son, is playing very good. Could be back races about him. Dave Beckett used to be a pitcher for the Giants and pitching coach there. Happy. Oh, that's probably good. Also getting second year card. No. So far, I've not seen anything already. Oh, Julio, he got a play to, he's like 100 or something. Barton Manson. He looks very tense. Manager. Man, could be a Hall of Famer. Burns Wiles, mostly known over the Giants. Then your card. This is a really pointed pack of cards. Honestly. Thanks for watching and everything. Oh yeah. Bye.